Hello and welcome to the Sailing Adventures of Scamper. So we are approaching what I'd like to think is the end of the maintenance here on Scamper.
And we will be focusing on the decks of Scamper. It was obvious to us that the decks of Scamper needed a really good clean, and we needed to replace quite a lot, if not all, of the non-slip acrylic coating that had been applied previously. In some places the light grey paint had peeled off to reveal a previous blue colour. We didn't really want to replace it with the blue colour again, simply because this just looks a bit outdated in our opinion. Also, the light grey colour really did show up the dirt, so we decided to replace it with a dark grey after we'd finished cleaning the decks.
And this is what it started out like. That will be side 2, that is grubby. I just need to do down here as well, using a combination of products. I'm cold, I'm wet, but the boat looks clean. This side I've been scrubbing, all that top deck, all down here, and all this side. And yes, I know it's scrubbed these bits off, but we're expecting to take that off because we're repainting it. And you can see the old paint underneath, the colour that it used to be. But this stuff has worked really well at taking where they've splashed the old paint onto the, what's that called? Side of the cockpit. It takes that off really well, and it's cleaned this up, and we're going to rub these back down and then restain them so they'll look pretty again. So I've done a lot of work today, and I'm just a bit wet now because I soaked myself with a hosepipe and I forgot about putting the washboard in, and then some of it went inside too.
Yeah, it was a bit wet inside, but I suppose it's a boat. Actually, it's a very dry boat, so we very rarely ever get any water or anything inside. So.
Apart from when I'm let loose with the hosepipe.
Yeah.
And then it gets inside. Yeah. But these covers, those two's come up really well. That bottom one's had it, compared to the other side, which I haven't cleaned yet. So that we're going to have to get a new cover for.
And if you notice the floor in the cockpit as well, that's coming up, and we're going to put
some new down.
Because
it's disgusting.
Learning lots?
Yeah, and also exhausted. And everything takes far longer than you think it's going to take. And now I just want a Starbucks and a sit down somewhere warm.
Now today what we're going to do is have a go at popping some new non-slip paint on the grey areas on the deck of Scamper. Again, never done this before. We've got some previous dark grey coloured non-slip paint with the small kind of non-stick paint beads already in the paint. So we're gonna use that. Jackie's up at the front masking off some of the areas I'm gonna paint, and we're gonna start at the bow and work our way back and see how much we get done. In today's temperature, it's probably going to take about 4 or 5 hours to become touch dry, but we're going to take the masking tape off as we go. We finished off the masking of the areas where we're going to paint. Jackie is just going over some areas with a brush just to get any loose rubbish off before I start painting. There we go, so we've masked up. She's just going over some of the areas with a brush just to get any loose stuff off. We previously scrubbed the whole deck with a really stiff brush to try and get the worst bits off. These deck paints were already on the boat. This one here is called mid grey. We also found a light grey as well, so we're going to go for the slightly darker mid grey, I think. Whether it will dry out a bit lighter than it looks in the tin or not, I don't know, but at least then it should be easier for us to see where we've been and where we haven't. And we also found this here. I wouldn't like to go through customs with this, but I've put some of that in with a dark grey as well, because although it's got some form of beads in the non-slip paint, I thought I'd just stick a bit more in, give it a good mix.
We did film ourselves doing the painting, but somehow I've lost that footage, and I think you'll agree that Scamper's deck looks absolutely stunning with the mid-grey acrylic paint from Hempel. We did apply the paint quite thickly and only thought that we required the one coat to get a good covering, but only time will tell if we do need to go over it again. If you do have any comments or questions, pop them below, and we hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss the next episode, when we will be relaunching Scamper and sailing her back to the swing mooring on the River Tamar.
The end. Ta-da!